So Monte Carlo Rally is well and truly up and running, and drama already in the opening stage. The M Sport Ford of Teemu Suninen, David, has had a massive off.
It's a big off. I'm not sure.
Massive off!
I would say 10x last year was a massive off. This one, we saw Elvin Evans have exactly the same issue. White line, the car stepped out a little bit. Teemu obviously carrying some more speed into that right-hander. I mean, tremendous speed from Teemu. 4.5 seconds quicker at the last split than Ogier. Half a second up on Tanak. He would have been quickest. The car stepped out, it's hit the bank, it's rolled up and sort of over the bank and away down the road.
And right at the end of the stage, literally, I think 3 corners from the end of the stage, David. We have some pictures of the car. It is very, very heavily damaged. There has to be a question mark. Super Rally rules. What are the Super Rally rules? They are different from Monte Carlo.
Only, I think, in the final leg. Right. I think they can get that car sorted again. It looked as though it rolled up and it didn't smack into the bank hard, so there's not a major impact that's going to damage the cage. I wouldn't have thought. I think they'll be able to. Who are we to say, Cole? We don't know. But for me, it didn't look like the sort of impact that would preclude tomorrow.
Really, really desperately difficult start for M Sport, and in particular for Suninen, a driver who needed confidence this year. He really did need it, and on the opening stage to have a big accident.
But he talked before the event. He talked about the need to get through this event, to get to the finish, to build some momentum into a season. He's got the Arctic Rally next month. It's difficult, he's chasing a full season. He's on 6 rallies at the moment. It's going to be tough.
So a fairly inauspicious start then to the Monte Carlo Rally for Teemu Suninen. Folks, stage 2 underway. We'll be back with a summary of all of today's action. Thanks very much for joining us again at DirtFish.com.